If you're looking to quickly share your Twitter profile link, whether for business, networking, or just keeping your followers updated, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple and efficient way to copy your Twitter profile link in just a few steps. No matter if you're using iPhone or Android. Let's go! First, open the Twitter app and head to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the top left corner. From there, select Profile to bring up your account details. Now, while Twitter doesn't offer a direct option to copy your profile link, there's a quick workaround using one of your tweets. Scroll through your feed until you find one of your posts. Once you've found it, tap the share button beneath the tweet. In the sharing options, select WhatsApp or any messaging app of your choice. Now, here's where the magic happens. You'll see the tweet link, which contains your profile link, as the first part. Twitter.com, your username. Simply tap and hold on that link and carefully select the section that shows your username. Once highlighted, you can copy it to your clipboard. Now, you've got your personal Twitter link ready to share wherever you want, whether it's in a message on social media or in an email. You can paste it into Safari or any browser to open your profile instantly. This process works seamlessly on both iPhone and Android, so no matter your device, you can quickly grab and share your Twitter profile link. I hope this helps streamline the process for you. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.